In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Windows 11. This simple cleanup helps free up storage, remove leftover temporary files, and can even make your system feel a bit snappier. I'll walk you through 3 quick folders to clear, explain what they are, and share a few tips so you can do this safely and confidently. First, open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. In the box that appears, type temp, then press Enter. This opens a folder filled with temporary files created by Windows and various apps. These files are safe to remove because they're just leftovers from installs, updates, or tasks that no longer need them. Press Ctrl and A to select everything, then press Delete. If you're asked for permission, choose Continue. If you see any messages saying a file is in use and can't be deleted, that's normal. Just skip those files and keep going. Some items might move to the recycle bin, which is fine. The important part is that they're out of this temp folder. Next, we'll clear your user-specific temporary files. Press Windows and R again to open the Run dialog. This time, type %temp%, that's %temp%, then press Enter. You'll land in a similar-looking folder, but this one is tied to your user account. Just like before, press Ctrl and A to select everything, then press Delete to remove these temporary items. If a few files refuse to delete because they're currently being used by an app, just skip them. These files are safe to clear, and getting rid of them can help resolve odd glitches or free up quite a bit of space. Finally, let's tidy your prefetch folder. Press Windows and R one more time, type prefetch, and press Enter. You may see a prompt requesting permission to open this folder. Choose Continue. Prefetch files are created by Windows to help apps start faster by remembering how they load. Deleting them won't harm your system. Windows will recreate what it needs over time. Select everything with Ctrl and A, then press Delete. Again, skip anything that's in use. That's it. You've just cleared 3 common cache locations on Windows 11. You may notice smoother performance and a bit more free space, especially if you haven't done this in a while. Windows will automatically rebuild any necessary temporary data as you continue to use your PC, so you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, faster system.